We wear Velcro sneakers and elastic waistbands. We have stone-faced features and fluttering hands. But if you make the mistake of calling me a nut, you'd better believe I'll kick your butt with Velcro sneakers. We will wear plaid flannel and occasionally drool. But take this, brother, where nobody's fool. So if while you're pushing through with someone trips you on the street, you'd better check out what's on his feet. Velcro sneakers. People see us and they laugh or they cry. I will never know why till the day I die. I got something that's very hard to find. It's called peace of mind, and it makes me shine. That may contradict your opinion of us, but your opinions are turning to dust. Like they say in the Bible, the first will be the last. And who do you think's gonna kick your ass with Velcro sneakers?